Okay, we're going to do the same thing again. No card. We're just going to go in, read code, translate. This one's very interesting. FCA 424. It's a little bit of a different perspective compared to the previous ones that we've gone over. Probation services. So a local probation service may provide services to a party seeking to establish, modify, or enforce a support obligation where there is a contract with the appropriate social services district for the performance of support collection services under section 111H of the social services law. So this is not really saying much about petitioner or respondent. It's more about working with this this social services district, and it's about enforcement of this provide services to a party seeking to establish, modify, or enforce the support. So they're all about getting in there and get the modification or establishment or enforcement of the support obligation where there is a contract. So in this case, there's a contract with the appropriate social services district. Okay, but then the plot thickens, because when you get to 2, then it's like the probation service is trying to help the person who's like the respondent. So it says a local probation service may provide services to persons ordered to pay support seeking to modify such orders. So basically the person that is chargeable for the support, that has a charge for support, they're like the probation service is helping them to modify the orders against them. So the other ones has been all about the petitioners on the attack. In this number 2 of 424, it's like the probation service that the respondent is trying to get a modification of the orders against them. So that's a different spin on things that we haven't seen yet. 3, the probation service may not prevent any person who wishes to file a petition under this article from having access to the court for that purpose, nor may the probation service compel any person to appear at any conference, produce any papers, or visit any place. So this is interesting. So like the probation service can help with the enforcement and modification and the establishment, but they're not to get involved if a petitioner wants to go ahead and file that petition, or if that respondent doesn't want to show up. They cannot get that deeply involved. And that's FCA 424, probation services.